Many content creators face a frustrating problem, the black screen glitch in Davinci Resolve. I've personally experienced this challenge and spent considerable time finding reliable solutions. Now, I'm ready to share the most effective techniques used to conquer this issue, helping you get back to editing without interruption. This guide will specifically help you fix the black screen glitch that keeps happening in Davinci Resolve. First, updating your graphics drivers is like giving your computer's display paths the newest instruction manual. Old or faulty instructions can make your screen go blank, so fresh drivers ensure everything knows what to do. Second, resetting Davinci Resolve preferences is like giving the software a clean slate. Sometimes internal settings get tangled or broken, causing weird display problems. A reset clears these bad settings, letting the program start fresh. Third, adjusting Davinci Resolve GPU settings helps the program talk better with your computer's graphics card. If they aren't communicating well, the screen might stay black. Changing these settings ensures they speak the same language. Finally, checking media storage permissions confirms Davinci Resolve can actually see and use your video files. If the software cannot access your project's footage, it has nothing to show, resulting in a black screen. Ensuring proper access lets Davinci Resolve load your media and display it correctly.